Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get plotting folder having multiple folders inside it in desktop screen of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that, on the right side you can see here releases, just click on it. Now here you will see textprem.exe, so you need to download this exe file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. So now you can see one floating folder appearing, as you can see here. So you can add a specific folder or you can add a complete drive also. So just to give an example, let me drag this C drive. You can see it will automatically show up all the folders. You can even resize this floating folder, and if you want to add a name for this floating folder, then just place your mouse cursor on this title bar and just right mouse click on it. And now just go to this prem settings, and here you will see various options. So under the title bar and this text box, just give a name, whatever name you want to give, and once you're done, just click on this cross icon. You can see here a folder name has been given, and now once again place your mouse cursor on the title bar and just right mouse click on it. Now you will see here tons of options like sort by, lock frame. So if you want to lock it so that it's not draggable, and if you want to drag it to somewhere, then you can just unlock the frame and you can just drag and place wherever you want to place. And below to it is a reload. If some folder is not showing up, then you can just click on this reload to refresh, and there is a open folder option, and below to it is a grid view, so you can make it view on display also. And you can sort the hidden files also by enabling here. You can see all the hidden files will show up. You can sort the file extensions names also, and below to it is a frame settings. So under the frame settings, you can get out different options to customize the background colors, transparency, names, levels, animation speeds, and even you can make it unexpand or expand. So if I click on this title bar now, you can see here it auto hides, and if I place the mouse cursor on the title bar, it shows up. So if you want to disable this picture, then just right mouse click on the title bar, go to the frame settings, just untick this expand on cursor over. Now just click on this down arrow icon. Now it will auto hide. So by using this application named as TextFrame, you can easily get floating folder having multiple folders inside it in desktop screen of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.